A leaderboard in a Discord leveling bot is crucial. It allows everyone in the server to actually see who's on top and who has the most levels, and it's just a simple and easy command to add to your Discord bot. And so that's exactly what we're going to be doing in today's video. So hit the intro. What we're going to start off by doing is @bot.command. And then we're going to add some aliases for the actual command. And these are going to be, I guess, LB, Levelboard, and I feel like those two are good for now. And then we're going to do async def leaderboard, and then we're going to have CTX. So now, after we open this up, we can do async with bot.db.cursor. Or actually, we can just copy and paste this section in, like so. And then, actually, in here, we're gonna, I guess, configure whatever we want. So, what we want is await cursor.execute, and we're gonna do select, and we want to select the level, the X, and the XP. And then we also want to select the user, and then from levels where guild equals question mark, and then we can actually order all of our info because it's going to be randomly placed inside of our database. So we want to order it from the highest XP in the highest level. So we can do something like order by level descending, so descending from greatest to least, and then we can also order XP descending. And then we're going to only grab the top 10 people, so we're going to do limit 10, and this will only grab us 10 values. And then in here we can pass in a value, so ctx.build.id, like so, and that is it. So when we actually print this out, so we can just do data equals await cursor.fetch all. So when we have this, and when we grab this, this will print out the top 10 users with the highest level and XP. So then what we want to do is we can also do if data, and so if data actually exists, we can create an embed for it. So we're going to do embed equals discord.embed, like so, and we're going to title this, I don't know, leaderboard, leveling leaderboard, something like that. And then we can, I guess, just leave it at that. We don't really have to put anything else in here. And then we're gonna have to have a variable called count. And after that, we're gonna create a for loop. So for table in data, we're gonna do count plus equals 1. And then below, we're gonna do user equals ctx.guild get underscore member, and then this will be table. And because we grab 3 values from here, and arrays go from 0, 1, and 2, so I guess 0 being the first value, 2 being the third, we're going to grab the last value, which is the user, which will be their ID. So put in 2 over there. And then lastly, we're going to add a field to the embed. So embed.add field. And so this will simply be, I guess, we can do count dot user.name, and then in the value here we can actually put in, I guess, a couple information, so their level and their XP. So what we can do for the level is level, and then here we can put in table 0, and then same thing for XP equals, and then this will also be in bold, or level, and this will be 1, like so, and not actually level but table, like so. And then lastly, we can do inline equals false, so inline is false, and that will essentially just put it all in an embed that we can easily read. So then lastly we can do is return await.ctx.send embed equals em. But now let's say there isn't data, right? Data doesn't exist. Then what we can do is we can just, I guess, return everything. Just say, I don't know, it doesn't exist. So return await.ctx.send. There are no users stored. Something like that. And this is the entire leaderboard system, right? It's really simple. And so what we're going to do is we're going to hop into Discord and we're actually going to test it out. Okay, so here I am in my Discord. Link down below in the description. Please join. We got discord.gg/glowstick. We have the vanity, yes. But anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to test this out. So if I do help, you see our plethora of commands here. We actually have like 5. And so it's level, leaderboard, rewards, set rule, and I guess, level settings. And so what we can do is we can check our level, first of all. And right now I'm at level 1 and I have experience equals 11. So then what I can do also is I could do leaderboard or just LB for that matter. And then here it will show you. So I gained 2 XP in this message. So then it awarded me with 2 XP and then my level, so level 1, and XP equals 13 or is 13. And no one else is actually stored in it because when the bot is on, I'm the only one that's testing it. So no, there's actually no one else in here. But I think that there would be more people besides 1, so it only returned 1. And yeah, that's it. It was a leveling leaderboard, and that's essentially a leveling system for your Discord bot. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 2,200 subscribers. And that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, glow stick out. See ya!